Question 21. Which of the following describes the fire triangle correctly? Answer: heat, fuel, oxygen. Question 22. Which of the following fire extinguisher classes is appropriate for flammable metals? Answer: Class D. Question 23. The gear ratio of a worm gear with a single reduction is determined by the number of teeth on the gear, and which of the following? Answer: the number of threads on the worm. Question 24. Does stick welding use a wire that is continuously fed? Answer: false. Question 25. In a spark test, which of the following materials produces the longest spark? Answer: high carbon steel. Question 26. The capacity of a material to be bent or twisted without breaking or shattering is known as? Answer: ductility. Question 27. What is the minimal oxygen level required for a limited space? Answer: 0.195. Question 28. Before attaching a regulator to a cylinder valve? Answer: valve should be opened slightly and immediately closed. Question 29. The color of the gasoline gas hoses is red. Answer: true. Question 30. Which of the following best describes the term gas? Answer: brittle. Question 31. A burn that produces blistering of the skin is known as which of the following? Answer: second-degree burn. Question 32. What are the three primary kinds of CACA electrodes? Answer: DC plain, DC copper-coated, and AC copper-coated electrodes. Question 33. When gas tungsten arc welding GTAW aluminum, which of the following best describes recommended preheating? Answer: preheating temperature should not exceed 120 degrees Fahrenheit or 50 degrees Celsius.